What happens to St. Pete real estate if Tropicana Field is no longer a stadium, but becomes instead a massive convention center? It's not just a rumor anymore. The city of St. Petersburg and Pinellas County are jointly funding a feasibility study to explore exactly that. And whether the Rays stay or go, it could shift completely how investors, homeowners, and developers look at the entire historic gas plant district. Let me break down how that'll work. Tropicana Field sits on 86 acres of prime land right in the heart of downtown St. Pete. For years, the focus has been on building a new baseball stadium with mixed-use development surrounding it. But now, if the Rays are sold and a stadium deal falls apart again, the city may pivot to something public, permanent, and profitable year-round. A convention center with an attached hotel. Convention centers change everything for a city. They bring consistent midweek tourism, corporate events, trade shows, and high-spend visitors. They mean increased hotel development, new demand for short-term rentals, restaurant and retail growth, higher commercial property values, and stronger residential demand in adjacent neighborhoods. Right now, less than 1% of the tourists in Pinellas County come here for conventions, so we have a massive untapped market. If this project goes forward, we're talking about hundreds of millions in construction investment, plus ongoing demand for hospitality, workforce housing, and services. So what does that mean for you? If you're an investor, a developer, or a future homeowner, and you're looking for the next big play in St. Pete, keep your eyes on the historic gas plant district. The real estate values could skyrocket, not overnight, but over time. And as the area transforms from a ballpark destination to a 365-day convention and tourism hub, things will change. If the Rays leave, this site could go from a seasonal attraction to an economic anchor that drives jobs, tourism, and real estate appreciation for decades. There's big shifts coming to St. Petersburg real estate, and if you're investing in St. Pete real estate, you need to know what's happening behind the scenes, not just what's in the headlines. Subscribe to me for updates or reach out to me if you want to talk strategy.